The story of Tam Boon. One day, a Western anthropologist went to Africa to study the social behavior of an indigenous tribe. He proposed a game to the children, and they willingly agreed to be part of it. He put a basket filled with fruits underneath a tree, made the children stand 100 meters away, and then announced that whoever could reach the basket first would win the whole basket and could eat all the fruits by themselves. He lined them all up, raised his hand to give the start signal, and said, "Ready, set, go." Astonishingly, the children took each other's hands and started running together. They all reached the basket at the same time, then sat down in a big circle and enjoyed the fruits together, laughing and smiling the whole time. The anthropologist could not believe what he saw and asked them why they had waited for each other, as one could have taken the whole basket all for themselves. The children shook their heads and replied, "Ubuntu. How can one of us be happy if all the others are sad?" One of the sayings in their culture is Ubuntu, which means, "I am, because we all are." It embodies the essence of being human. The anthropologist was fascinated by this concept and asked the children to explain further. They told him that their culture values community and togetherness above individual success. They believe that true happiness can only be achieved when everyone is happy. Let's always have this attitude and spread happiness wherever we go. May we all live our lives with the spirit of Ubuntu. It is a reminder that our true strength lies in our ability to connect, support, and uplift each other. By embracing Ubuntu, we can create a more compassionate and harmonious world, where everyone can thrive and find true happiness.